In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can find a Microsoft Planner plan ID. Now, this is a follow-up to an earlier tutorial where I demonstrate how to do the same thing, except in that video, the approach outlined no longer works due to a change made recently by Microsoft. Now, the easiest way to find the plan ID is to navigate to your plan. Now, you can see here, I've brought up a planner board, and next I am going to click on the drop-down to the right of the plan name, and I will click on Export Plan to Excel. That is going to download a file here. Now I'll go ahead and open this file. Now you can see here that I have an export of my Microsoft Planner plan, and it features two tabs. One is called Tasks, which includes the actual tasks, and the other is called Plan Name. Now I'll go ahead and click on Plan Name, and you can see here that this tab includes the plan name, the plan ID, and the date of export. Now this plan ID value is the plan ID for the particular plan. If you're trying to build out a Microsoft Power Automate workflow, for example, you can now copy this value and pipe it into your workflow. Now, in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you an alternative method that you can use in case this is ever removed from Microsoft Planner. Now, just a note, if you want to download a free cheat sheet that outlines the steps covered in this video, all you need to do is click the link in the description of this video below and fill out the form, and I'll go ahead and send that cheat sheet to your email. Now, in order to find the plan ID using the alternative method, you want to navigate to your plan. Now, I am going to click on a plan that I have in a team in Microsoft Teams. And the next thing that you want to do is click on the drop down to the right of the plan name, and you want to click on Copy Link to Plan. All right, now you can see here that I've brought up Notepad and I've pasted the URL in. Now, Microsoft recently made a change to the URL structure, and it looks a little bit different than what I demonstrate in my earlier tutorial. However, the plan ID is still contained in this URL. Now, the plan ID is actually found after the part of the URL that says plan $2F. So I will place my cursor here and copy this value up to the first percentage sign, and I will go ahead and copy this value. Now I'm going to take this value and show you that it is indeed the actual plan ID for this particular planner board. Now, to demonstrate that this is indeed the plan ID value, what I've done is brought up Microsoft Graph Explorer. Now, Graph Explorer allows you to make API calls and access data within your Microsoft 365 environment. Now, you do need special permission to access it. I've included a link to Graph Explorer in the description of this video below. If you want to give it a shot, try to log in, and if you can't, contact your MS administrator. Now, I have entered in an endpoint here that says, fetch me a planner plan that corresponds to this particular planner ID value that we just retrieved. And next I'm going to click Run Query. You can see here at the bottom of the screen that this did execute successfully, and I will go ahead and expand the output. And you can see here the title of this plan is Campaign Tasks, and the next attribute ID is indeed that value that we extracted from the URL. So that's it. In this video, I showed you the updated way that you can find a Microsoft Planner plan ID. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like, give it a share, and most importantly, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I'm Iacobellis. I'll see you in the next video.